Hello friends, in today's video, we are going to compare Realme GT Neo 3T versus Poco F4 5G with full specifications like display, design, performance, Antutu benchmarks, and price. And are going to know which is the best smartphone for you. So friends, please watch the entire video and let us know your thoughts in the comments section. Let's start with a display comparison. In a comparison of screen size, Realme GT Neo 3T has a 6.62 inches screen, while the Poco F4 has a 6.67 inches screen. If you look at the display type, both phones comes with an Amoled display. In the resolution, both phones comes with a Full HD Plus resolution. Realme GT Neo 3T has a 398 pixels density, while the Poco F4 has 395 pixels. In the aspect ratio, both phones are equally comes with a 20:9 ratio. In a comparison of screen to body ratio, Realme GT Neo 3T has 85.7% and Poco F4 has 86.6%. In a refresh rate comparison, both phones supports up to 120Hz higher refresh rate. Both phones comes with Gorilla Glass 5 display protection. Friends, let's make a design comparison between these two phones. Looking at these two phones' physical height, Realme GT Neo 3T has 162.9 mm, while the Poco F4 has 163.2 mm. Realme GT Neo 3T has 75.8 mm in the width, while the Poco F4 has 75.9 mm width. Realme GT Neo 3T has 8.65 mm in the thickness, while the Poco F4 has 7.7 mm thickness. Looking at these two phones' weight, Realme GT Neo 3T has 194.5 grams, while the Poco F4 has 195 grams. If you look at the colors of these two phones, Realme GT Neo 3T comes with 3 different colors, while the Poco F4 comes with 2 different colors. Friends, now let us compare about the camera and its features. Realme GT Neo 3T has a triple camera setup, including a 64 megapixels primary lens, an 8 megapixels ultra-wide camera, and a 2 megapixels macro camera. Poco F4 also has a triple camera setup, with a 64 megapixels primary lens with OIS support, an 8 megapixels ultra-wide camera, and a 2 megapixels macro camera. If you look at the video resolution of these phones, Realme GT Neo 3T supports up to 4K resolution at 30 fps, and the Poco F4 also supports up to 4K resolution at 30 fps. In a comparison of front camera, Realme GT Neo 3T comes with a 16 megapixel selfie camera, with a Full HD video resolution at 30 fps, while the Poco F4 comes with a 20 megapixel selfie camera, with a Full HD video resolution at 30 fps. Now let's compare the hardware between these two phones. Looking at the processor of both phones, Realme GT Neo 3T powered by a Snapdragon 870 chipset, and the Poco F4 also powered by a Snapdragon 870 chipset. In a CPU comparison, Realme GT Neo 3T supports up to octa-core 3.2 GHz clock speed, and the Poco F4 also supports up to octa-core 3.2 GHz clock speed. In the GPU comparison, Realme GT Neo 3T comes with an Adreno 650 GPU, and the Poco F4 also comes with an Adreno 650 GPU. Let's compare the operating system. Realme GT Neo 3T comes with a Realme UI based Android 12 operating system, while the Poco F4 comes with a MIUI based Android 12 operating system. Friends, let's compare the storage between these two phones. Realme GT Neo 3T comes with 3 variants: 6GB RAM with 128GB storage, 8GB RAM with 128GB storage, and 8GB RAM with 256GB storage. And the Poco F4 also comes with 3 variants: 6GB RAM with 128GB storage, 8GB RAM with 128GB storage, and 12GB RAM with 256GB storage. Both these phones does not comes with the memory card slot. Friends, let's check out the battery between these two phones. The battery capacity in Realme GT Neo 3T has 5000 mAh, and in the Poco F4 has 4500 mAh. Realme GT Neo 3T supports 80 watts fast charge, while the Poco F4 supports 67 watts fast charge. Now let's compare the rest of the connectivity and features in these phones. Both these phones comes with an USB Type-C port. Both these phones doesn't have a 3.5mm audio jack. Both these phones comes with a NFC support. Realme GT Neo 3T doesn't comes with an IR blaster, while the Poco F4 comes with an IR blaster. Both these phones supports 5G network. Realme GT Neo 3T has an under-display fingerprint sensor, while the Poco F4 has a side-mounted fingerprint sensor. Both these phones comes with a Bluetooth 5.2 version. Friends, let's take a look on the benchmark score of these two phones. In an Antutu benchmark score comparison, Realme GT Neo 3T has scored 715,648, while Poco F4 has scored 734,714. Now let's compare price. If you look at the Realme GT Neo 3T, the 6GB 128GB variant is priced at 29,999 rupees, 8GB 128GB variant is priced at 31,999 rupees, and 8GB 256GB variant is priced at 33,999 rupees. Poco F4, the 6GB 128GB variant is priced at 27,999 rupees, 8GB 128GB variant is priced at 29,999 rupees, and 12GB 256GB variant is priced at 33,999 rupees. Friends, please like this video and subscribe my channel for more smartphone comparison videos.